In this video, I will be showing you how to get started with Claude Code and Wispr Flow to build a custom automation script. Let's get started. First, I'll head to the Claude interface and select the code shortcut to set the right context. Instead of typing manually, I'm using Wispr Flow to dictate my prompt. I want a Python script that reads emails from a text file, validates them using regex, and then exports the valid ones into a new CSV. Once my voice is transcribed, I hit enter to let Claude take over. Claude starts by checking for the necessary skills and immediately begins building the project. It generates a sample input file with mixed email formats so we can test the logic right away. Now, it's writing the main validation script, which includes robust regex patterns to handle various edge cases. As the code is finalized, Claude automatically runs a test command. It processes 24 sample emails, identifying which ones meet the criteria and which don't. On the right-hand panel, I can review the results in real time, seeing exactly why certain emails were flagged as invalid, such as missing domains or incorrect characters. Everything looks perfect. The script has even handled normalization and deduplication. Now, I can simply download the Python script, the test files, or the final valid email CSV to use in my own workflow. It's a seamless way to go from a voice command to a fully functional automation tool. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.